Hi, good morning, my scholars. Happy Monday. Today we are starting a new topic of measurement, and we are going to be talking about perimeter. Hopefully you've already watched the BrainPop video and the video on Nearpod that discusses perimeter and also area, but we're going to only practice perimeter today. And I wanted to shoot a quick video to show you how I want you to approach every single perimeter problem. So let's take a look at our activity for today. If you were in my class, you would have a STAR reference sheet. So I included a reference material sheet below your practice. So this is what the formula STAR reference materials looks like. And when you look at the formulas for perimeter, they can be a little confusing. So this is what I want you to do whenever you get your benchmark or you get your STAR test. And immediately one of the first things you do besides make a multiplication chart or get ready to prepare yourself, I want you to pull out your reference material and I want you to write under perimeter, add all the sides. So if you were in my classroom, we would be doing this in our math journals. So if you have a math journal at home and your parent can print out a reference material sheet for you, go ahead and do that. Next to square and rectangle, add all the sides. And you can even scratch out these other formulas if you want to, because all I want you to do when we're practicing perimeter is add up all the sides. Okay, so that's what I want you to do when you see a question that talks about perimeter. Right underneath it, add all sides. So you should have exactly what I've written down on your piece of paper. Highlight the word perimeter, write add all sides. So in this practice today, it's naming the sides by letters, and then it gives you its measurement. So I want you to label the sides with its measurements. And because this says that A is equal to 6 51/100 yards, every side that has A on it, I'm going to put 6 51/100. And then C is equal to 8 8/10 yards. So I'm going to label all of my C's 8 8/10. And it wants me to add all sides because we're finding perimeter. What do I need to do when we are adding decimals? Line up your decimals. I did a song for my kids in my class because they just could not remember this. And so I thought of and if I am repeating myself, if I've already sang this for you, I apologize, but it's been a long 3 weeks. So anyways, I tried to think of a song that everyone knew, and this is why I came up with. Line up your decimals when you add or subtract. When you add or subtract. Line up your decimals when you're comparing and ordering decimals. When you compare and order. But not when you multiply. But not when you multiply. All right, what song is that? I think we all know it's Lion King. Okay, so now I'm going to line up my decimals and add up all of my sides. I'm going to put a 0 next to the 8 so that each place value has a holder, and add them all together. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 and 5 is 10. Plus 8 is 18. Plus 8 is 26. Carry my 2, but bring down my decimal. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. So my answer is 30 and 62/100ths. This is what I want you to do for all of these, okay? Label each side with the measurement and then add them all up. Okay, happy perimetering.